If you build with AI, Claude, Codex, Cursor, you already know the problem. Agents produce plausible work. And from inside a chat window, plausible and verified look identical. This is FlightDeck. One desk for every AI agent you use, and one tamper-evident record of what they actually did. Setup is one click. FlightDeck finds the AI apps already on your machine, Claude Code, Codex, and puts them on one board. And from install onward, every agent is taught the house rules. Read the operator's decisions before acting. Report what you verified, not just what you did. You do not need a new place to type. This is Claude, the chat you already live in, with FlightDeck connected underneath. Ask for what you want, and it lands on the board. A packet, a govern lane, a written handoff. The record starts, and you never left your chat. And your standing rules ride along, written in your words, stored verbatim. Read back before the work starts. Agents do not guess what you meant, they read what you said. Here's a real one, from our own board. Last night, the operator dispatched a production audit at midnight and went to bed. Claude worked the lane. Every step landed on the record as it happened. What was done, what was checked, and what wasn't. By morning it was returned, verified, and shipped. Set it. Forget it. Until it's needed. Because the real work happens behind the scenes. Every return is auto-checked against the decisions you recorded, free, on your own machine. These lanes were flagged the moment they drifted. And when a lane drifts again, on a decision FlightDeck has already replayed. That's the paid path. A cross-model referee, a different vendor, reads the return and posts its verdict to the record. 10 metered runs a day. And anything skipped is reported, never silently dropped. The board, the record, and every automatic check, free on your machine. The referee and the hosted verdicts. That's FlightDeck Pro. $39 a month. Signed Windows Build, live now at aiflightdeck.com. Stop taking done for an answer.